Got my dog there. Tango, look. I'm going to feed him some treats. I'll show you what he does. Right. So this is what I'm going to give him. Jump up. Live at 8 seconds. Jump up. Jump up. Jump up. Pick him a hide and seek with him. So, treat. What's this? What's that? Let's hide somewhere. Here. Come on. He's gonna sense this other one. Tango! Come find! Come find! Sense it with his nose. He smells it. Come find! Literally, it's gone. It. One more. I have no idea why we've got walnuts and why we've got mixed nuts. What the hell? No? Last one. I'll show you. I'll try and make a trick. Okay, so lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Here. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Now lie down. Lie down. Tango. Sit. 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 Lie down. Good boy. So we'll just taught him how to do that one. And I don't know if we can do roll over yet. Look, what's that? Me. Wait. Put the treat here, right? This is what he does. What's that? Another bit? Tango. Look, there, Tango. Oi, look, what's this? What's this? Here's what's gone. Let's see. Doesn't hurt you at all. Just licks you. So look, watch. Tango.